How to calculate force generated by pneumatic cylinder through Excel. Add all border. Insert symbol pi and the value is 3.142. Then add d and d square. I'm calculating with the 25 mm. Here I will add another column. So this unit is mm square. Area is equal to pi d square divided by 4. Area unit is mm square. Pressure in bar is standard 5 bar. Pressure in Newton per millimeter square is equal to P divided by 10. Force equal to the area into pressure. This force is in Newton. To convert it into kilogram, the value is divided by 9.81. We'll calculate for 5 bar, 12, 15 and so on. This is the force generated by the pneumatic cylinder at 5 bars pressure.